Happy morning students, a warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine. Children, today our subject is English and we are going to learn about colors in this lesson. Colors. Colors means what ma? Colors means vannangal or nirangal. See how beautiful the color is to see. Isn't it children? Is it beautiful to see? What are the colors ma? Blue, green, orange, pink, yellow, etc. Dear students, today our lesson is what do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Innama? Nee inna paakra. Nee inna paakra. Okay children. The lesson is about colors. The lesson is about colors. See the colors in the chart. How the colors are eye-catching and beautiful. Isn't it children? What are the colors in the chart children? Can you see the picture ma? Yes. What are colors? Red, blue, yellow, green, violet and orange. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about the different colors. Okay children? Dear students, all of you take your English term book. English term book and take page number 99. Take page number 99. Okay children, hope that you all taken your lesson. Shall we start the lesson children? What do you see? What do you see? Blue bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. Blue bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. Yellow duck, what do you see? Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a green frog. I see a green frog. Green frog, what do you see? I see a red fish. I see a red fish. Red fish, what do you see? I see a small boy. Red fish, what do you see? I see a small boy. Small boy, what do you see? Small boy, what do you see? I see a blue bird, yellow duck, green frog and a red fish. I see a blue bird, yellow duck, green frog and a red fish. That is what I see. Students, let me explain the story now. Okay children, I asked the bluebird. நான் அந்த bluebird கிட்ட கேட்டேன், நீ என்ன பார்த்த அப்படின்னு நான் கேட்குறேன். அப்போ bluebird சொல்லிச்சு, I saw a yellow duck அப்படின்னு சொல்லிச்சு. நான் ஒரு எல்லோ கலர் வாத்து பார்த்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிச்சு. அப்போது எல்லோ டக் கிட்ட bluebird கேட்குது, எல்லோ டக் நீ என்ன பார்த்த அப்படின்னு கேட்டுச்சு. அப்போது எல்லோ டக் என்ன சொல்லிச்சு? I saw a green frogன்னு சொல்லிச்சு. நான் ஒரு பச்சை கலரில் ஃப்ராக் பார்த்தேன்னு சொல்லிச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃப்ராக் வாட் டு யூ சி அப்படின்னு டக்கு ஃப்ராக் கிட்ட கேட்டுச்சு. ஃப்ராக் நீ என்ன பார்த்த அப்படின்னு டக்கு கேட்டுச்சு. அப்போ ஃப்ராக் சொல்லிச்சு, நான் ஒரு ரெட் கலரில் ஃபிஷ் பார்த்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிச்சு. என்ன சொல்லிச்சு? நான் ஒரு ரெட் கலரில் ஃபிஷ் பார்த்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிச்சு. அப்புறம் ஃபிஷ்ஷுக்கிட்ட ரெட் ஃபிஷ் வாட் டு யூ சி அப்படின்னு ஃப்ராக் கேட்டுச்சு. அப்போது ஃபிஷ்ஷு சொல்லிச்சு, I saw a small boyன்னு சொல்லிச்சு. யாரை பார்த்துச்சான்? ஒரு ஸ்மால் பாய் லைக் யூ. த ஃபிஷ் saw a small boy. அப்புறம் ஸ்மால் பாய் கிட்ட ஃபிஷ்ஷு கேட்டுச்சு, ஸ்மால் பாய் வாட் டிட் யூ see அப்படின்னு கேட்டுச்சு. இப்போ ஸ்மால் பாய் சொன்னால், I saw a blue bird, yellow duck, green frog and a red fish. Okay children? Dear students, let us now see the book exercise. Book exercise, page number 100. Page number 100. Children, take your book and page number 100 in it. Okay children? See the first Roman letter. Match, color and write the colors. Match, color and write the colors. Okay children? You are going to write the colors. Okay children? Now see the picture. This is a picture of a duck, fish, frog. The colors are red, yellow and green. Okay children, let us match it now. What is the color of the duck in the lesson children? Yes, the duck is yellow in color. The duck is yellow in color. You have to match a duck with the yellow color. Okay children, next moving on to the next picture. What is the picture? Fish. What is the color of the fish? Yes, the fish color is red. You have to match fish with red color. The next one is a frog. Next one is a frog. What is the color of the frog? Green. The frog color is green. Match frog with green color. Okay children. Second Roman letter is choose and write the correct word. Choose and write the correct word. The options for you are ducks, fish, frogs, trees. You have to see the picture, count and then you have to write. Okay children. First one, I see 4. 4 what ma? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 ducks. Ducks is the correct answer. You have to write ducks here. D-U-C-K-S, ducks. I see 2. What ma? You can see 2 frogs. See 2 frogs. 1, 2. So I see 2 frogs. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. The next one, I see 3. 3 trees. 1, 2, 3. 3C, trees. I see 3 trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. You have to write here T-R-E-E-S, trees. Okay children, moving on to the last one. I see 1. What ma? Only 1 fish is there in the pond. I see 1 fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay children. Students, next take page number 101. Page number 101. That is a activity for you to do. Very interesting activity. Can you see the picture of a boy children? Yes, now you are going to color the picture. What is the color you are going to give? Color the boy's cap red. This is a cap. You have to color the boy's cap with red color. Then boy's shirt with yellow color. Shorts with blue color. Boy's belt with black color. Shoes with brown color. Socks with grey color. Okay children, do the activity children. Dear students, let us move on to English 2. English 2 essay. Today we are going to learn a essay. The essay is my classroom. My classroom. My classroom na ennaduma? Ennudaya classroom. Okay children. See the picture. See the picture ma? Yes. This is a picture of your classroom. See the blackboard, charts, pictures, bookshelf, benches and desk, a dustbin. Okay children, can you see the picture ma? Yes. Today we are going to learn about my classroom. First point. My classroom looks big and spacious. My classroom looks big and spacious. That means என்னோட classroom பெருசாவும் நல்ல விஸ்தாரமாவும் இருக்கும்னு அர்த்தம். Okay children. Next points. It is well lit and airy. It is well lit and airy. That means my classroom எப்படி இருக்கும்? வெளிச்சமாவும் காற்றோட்டமாவும் இருக்கும். Okay children. Third one. There are 10 benches and desk and a big blackboard. There are 10 benches and desk and a big blackboard. Okay children, in your classroom there will be benches and desks, isn't it children? And a big blackboard in which your teacher writes and teaches you. Fourth one, charts and pictures make my classroom beautiful. Charts and pictures make my classroom beautiful. See the chart, see the pictures. Isn't it children? Isn't your classroom very beautiful? Yes children. Moving on to the fifth point. We throw waste things in a dustbin. We throw waste things in a dustbin. See the dustbin. Can you all see this? Yes. You will throw the bits of paper, shavings of pencil inside the dustbin. Isn't it children? Yes. Next one. There is a bookshelf on which we keep our notebooks. There is a bookshelf on which we keep our notebooks. Notebooks. நம்ம எங்கம்மா வைப்போம்? Bookshelf மேலே தானே வைப்போம். This is a bookshelf. You will keep your notebooks on this bookshelf. The next point, seventh point. We keep our classroom neat and tidy. We keep our classroom neat and tidy. Students, you always keep your classroom neat and tidy. எப்படி இருக்கும்? சுத்தமா இருக்கும். See how the classroom is very neat and tidy. Next, moving on to the last point. I like my classroom very much. I like my classroom very much. Hope that you all like your classroom very much children. Okay children. Dear students, let me once again read the essay. My classroom looks big and spacious. It is well lit and airy. There are 10 benches and desks and a big blackboard. Charts and pictures make my classroom beautiful. Fifth point. We throw waste things in a dustbin. There is a bookshelf on which we keep our notebooks. We keep our classroom neat and tidy. Last point, I like my classroom very much. In this class, we have studied about an essay and a story. The story is about colors. The colors. Our environment is surrounded by different colors. Do you all like color children? Yes. Everyone will like colors and you will have a favorite color of your own. Okay children, color the book exercise. Complete your homework daily with regular neat handwriting and do it regularly. Thank you children. Have a wonderful day.